Well, we nearly had a white Christmas. It came the day after. We had a white Boxing Day. And it's still here. Not much, though, just a little bit. It's pretty when the sun makes it sparkle. I don't know, can you see that? Sparkling? Maybe not. Hi, birds. Hi there. You guys want some carrot peels? Oh, you're so loud. Bunny evidence. They're digging under everything. Well, they'll have lots of safe places to hide. Since they won't stay in their hutch. Is that a hutch for bunnies? It's not a coop, right? I don't know. Hi, ladies. Hi. Okay, I'm going to drop it over on the other side, though. Yeah, I got you some carrot peels. Want some carrot peels? Hi, Ellen. Hello, Sir Randy. Hi, ladies. Oh, what happened to your tail? You just got one pretty tail feather. Those geese are doing that, aren't they? Naughty. Naughty, naughty gooses. Into the dark. Da, da, da. Hi, Millie. You want some I don't have lettuce. I'm sorry. It's carrot peel. If I can get it. Millie, want some carrot peel? Here. What do you think? Hey, chickens. Oh, my Lord. All right. Here. Oh, you guys are so loud. Hi. Oh. Oh, I don't know what this is. Something. What is it, baby? Okay. He says it's mine. That's what it is. It's just mine. Come here, ducks. Hi. Still got the baby. Same age as everybody else. Well, there's a couple older than her, but everybody there, basically. Here, chickens. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to terrify you. Here. Watch out. Oh, gosh. Yes. Yes, Sir Randy. Go find your girls some food. What are you doing? Oh, sorry, bud. Let's see if I can let's get the rest of these out over here. There we go. There we go. One more. One more. Oh, gosh. Almost did a ring around the gooseneck. Hi. Aren't you all so pretty? Yes, you are. Such pretty, pretty babies. Are you eating a feather? It's a little frozen around the edge of the pond, you can see. Oops, right along here. It's only, gosh, it's probably 20, maybe 25 right now Fahrenheit. And we'll get down to below 20 again tonight. I don't think it's above freezing until tomorrow or maybe the next day. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi there. Honk. 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 Hi. Yes? Oh, Bam Bam. You're such a good protector. You're such a good protector. Gemma? Is it Gemma? Has she gotten giant? Huh. I don't know. So, hello, ma'ams. So we go see what eggs we got so far today. Some of them are still laying even though it's so cold. Look at, hi Millie. I don't think Millie lays eggs at all anymore. She's 8, I think, years old. Millie, are you 8? Can you tell me? I'm not sure. We've been here for 7.5 years. She might be 8. Let's see. Eggs in here? There's an egg. Any more? No more there. But I think she's past her laying time, Millie. I don't know how long they last laying. Pretty. I like these ones right here are so pretty. They're all pretty, of course, but you know, some are prettier than others. It's just how it is. Alright, so how many was that? I don't know. 4. There might be a couple more when I come to put them to bed at night. How you doing, handsome? You're a handsome little man, aren't you? Yes, you are. He loves his girls. Okay. Well, everybody have a nice day. That duck there is hanging out with the geese a lot. That one. I don't know why. She's almost always with them. Oh, see? He was showing his chicken girlfriends that there was food right there. Alright, I gotta go. I'll talk to you all later. Have a great day.